Welcome to your PregActive Core Workout, perfect for postpartum. And of course, if you want more just like this, head over to PregActive.com for my full core rehab program. Right now, hit subscribe and the notification button right here on my PregActive YouTube channel so that you don't miss more workouts just like this. Let's get started. All you need today is a cushion. So grab one from the couch and let's get started. Find your way into all four kneeling position. Hands under shoulders, knees under hips. Take that big breath, open your chest. Now exhale, round the spine. Again, breathe, look up. Exhale, round. Breathe, look up. And exhale round. Back into your center. Reach your right hand out up to the ceiling. Thread it through the gap. Again, breathe, lift the hand up. Exhale, thread it through. Last one here, big breath. And thread. Good. Lift the hand up, place the hand back down. Other side, breathe. Exhale, thread, lift up, exhale, thread, lift, exhale. Reach the hand high, place the hand back and down. From here, roll your shoulders back and down, lengthen through your spine, take a breath in, belly relaxes. As you exhale, think pelvic floor, belly engage. Breathe in, let that go. Okay, from here, tuck your toes. Exhale, belly engage. Lift your knees just off the ground and then press straight into a down dog. Come back down, breathing in, lowering down. So a few more like this. Exhale, pelvic floor, belly engage. Lift the knees and then press back. Breathe in, lower. Exhale, engage. Press those heels back as much as you can. And then breathe in, lower down. Give me two more just like this. Exhale, engage pelvic floor, press. If this is ever too much on your wrist, just drop down onto elbows instead. Last one here, exhale. And then lower down. Lower to your knees, grab to your cushion. From here, we're going to go up into a high kneel. So you will squeeze through that cushion, lift your pelvic floor and engage through your belly. And then breathe in, let that go. Stay with that or add the squats. I tuck my toes. Breathe in, lower. Exhale, squeeze and lift. 2, breathe. Exhale. So as you lower down, I want you to then lift like you're growing as high as you can possibly be. Exhale. There's 5. We're heading for 10. Breathe in. Exhale. 6. 7. Lift that pelvic floor. 8. 9 and 10. Beautiful work. Let's head down onto your back. You'll need your cushion with you. Breathe in, let the belly expand. As you exhale, engage your pelvic floor, squeeze the cushion and send one leg behind as you move the cushion just over. your head. Breathe in, lower. Exhale, engage. And alternating legs here. So we've got 5 each side. Breathe. Exhale. Breathe in. Exhale. It's 2 each side. Exhale. Breathe. And out. And breathe. It's 3 each side, 2 more each side. Good. Keep that core connected. Exhale. Last one each side. Perfect. Let's place that cushion between your knees or your thighs. Hands down by your side. Take a breath here. Exhale. Engage pelvic floor, belly. Tuck the tail, lift the hips, and a gentle squeeze of your cushion. And then release. Making sure that that cushion is thick enough. If it's too thin, it's going to be uncomfortable for you. So you can always have it the other way. Gentle squeeze. And then release back down. Aiming for 10. Squeeze, lift. There's 3. And of course, if it's uncomfortable in any way, just move the cushion. You don't need it really. There's 4. Exhale, squeeze, lift. There's 5. Squeeze, lift. There's 6. Squeeze, lift. 7. Squeeze, lift. 8. 9. Last one. I'm going to stay up. Stay, hold, breathe. Press into those heels. Shoulder blades back and down for 3, 2, and 1. Release. Nice work. Release that cushion. And then just rock the knees from side to side. Just going to do a nice stretch here. So draw your right knee in towards you. Slide your left leg long. And then just place the left hand on the outside of that right knee as it goes across the body. Right hand out. Hold, supine twist. Swap. And release. And coming up and onto your side. So lifting into a clam and a hip bridge or a side plank. And there's 2. 4. 7. And last one, release, swap to the other side. 10. 6. 'Last one. And release. Come up and over into all fours. Knees wide and stretch back, child's pose. Finding all fours. Tuck the toes and engage your core, lifting one leg out, knee bent, foot flexed, and down. 10 one side. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep that core engaged. 7, 8, 9, 10. Other side. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10. Rock the hips side to side. Okay, one long hold. Opposite arm, opposite leg. Breathe, flex the foot. We're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Drop, other side, flex the foot, breathe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Crawling your hands back, coming through to a comfortable seat. Roll those shoulders up, big breath. Let it go. Well done. That's your core workout done for today.
For more videos just like this, visit PregActive.com.